Orbit Traders Limited is a full-featured investment platform for top crypto assets, stock, shares, and bonds located at Budapest, Váci Út 76, 1133 Hungary. Is duly and verifiable registered with the Fins Insurance Limited on the 6th of January 2013 and also an accessible and user-friendly efficient environment and Cryptire 4X in stocks. This blows will use it to take advantage of every situation. We believe everyone should have access to the wonderful world of investment with all its benefits, shared industries and commodities safely using an income in trading platforms worldwide. We believe that every intelligent person is capable of making own decisions on their finances. That's why we the financial markets for their own benefit, giving them a unique opportunity to manage their finances in their own way. Our goal is to empower investors with the tools and resources they need to create great business and help them to build a legacy. In Orbit Traders Limited, we have three categories of investment plans: the basic investment, halal investment, and real estate investment. Halal investing is investing in companies that are in line with Islamic principles of investing. A lot of conventional investment product and compliance, for example, alcohol, tobacco, gambling, pork, and weapons. A lot of conventional investment products aren't compliant. For example, profiting off debt is prohibited, so bonds and GICs are off the table for observant Muslims. Additionally, halal investing prohibits businesses that profit off certain activities, including alcohol, tobacco, gambling, pork, and weapons, among others. Orbit Traders portfolios consist of fixed income, bonds, to lower the overall risk of a portfolio for balanced and conservative investors. Islamic investing principles exclude fixed income, so the halal investing portfolio is an all-equity portfolio. Equity is more volatile than fixed income, so it is a higher risk growth portfolio. Among others, we invest in the best real estate ETF providers to give a client the best investment avenue to the global real estate market. We invest in the best real estate ETF providers to give our clients the best investment avenue to the global real estate market. Real estate ETFs have a broad exposure to the real estate market and invest in REITs, service firms, and real estate development companies, which historically offer good returns. Our investment plans are as follows. Starter plan. This is a 1.5% daily return of investment for 5 days, having a minimum amount of $50 and a maximum amount of $500. Trading plan. This is a 2% daily return of investment for 7 days, having a minimum amount of $1,000 and a maximum amount of $5,000. Stock plan. This is a 2.2% daily return of investment for 10 days, having a minimum amount of $6,000 and a maximum amount of $10,000. Gold plan. This is a 2.5% daily return of investment for 12 days, having a minimum amount of $15,000 and a maximum amount of $20,000. Premium plan. This is a 2.7% daily return of investment for 15 days, having a minimum amount of $25,000 and a maximum amount of $30,000. Long-term plan. This is a 3% daily return of investment for 25 days, having a minimum amount of $35,000 and a maximum amount of $50,000. Halal Plan 1. This is a 1.6% daily return of investment for 6 days, having a minimum amount of $200 and a maximum amount of $3,000. Halal Plan 2. This is a 2% daily return of investment for 8 days, having a minimum amount of $3,000 and a maximum amount of $6,000. Halal Plan 3. This is a 2.3% daily return of investment for 12 days, having a minimum amount of $6,000 and a maximum amount of $20,000. Halal Plan 4. This is a 2.8% daily return of investment for 25 days, having a minimum amount of $30,000 and a maximum amount of $50,000. Halal Plan 5. This is a 3.5% daily return of investment for 2 months, having a minimum amount of $50,000 and a maximum amount of $120,000. Real Estate Plan 1. This is a 15% monthly return of investment for 1 month, having a minimum amount of $25,000 and a maximum amount of $75,000. Real Estate Plan 2. This is a 20% monthly return of investment for 5 months, having a minimum amount of $100,000 and a maximum amount of $500,000. Real Estate Plan 3. This is a 30% monthly return of investment for 6 months, having a minimum amount of $500,000 and a maximum amount of $1 million. Real Estate Plan 4. This is a 35% monthly return of investment for 8 months, having a minimum amount of $3 million and a maximum amount of $9 million. Real Estate Plan 5. This is a 40% monthly return of investment for 12 months, having a minimum amount of $6 million and a maximum amount of $12 million.